Good morning, San Francisco. Looks like it's going to be another awesome day in the Golden City. We have some fog to start us off this morning with temps highs at 71 and lows at 52. With the Golden State Warriors winning the playoffs yesterday, the city is still running off that high.
Good morning, everyone. We've got an early morning flight today to San Francisco. But first, I'm eating my yogurt because this will not pass through TSA. Once I landed in San Francisco, my boyfriend called me and told me that his flight got delayed, so I made myself busy, went into the bathroom, and started doing my makeup. But enjoy this clip of me being such a weirdo, just looking under the bathroom and seeing if there's anybody in there. And there was, in fact, somebody in the bathroom. So I did not record any voiceover. That's why the beginning of this video is mostly instrumental. Anywho, when his plane finally arrived, I met him at baggage claim. Immediately when we got there, my grandmother made sandwiches for us, and we just had such a nice lunch with my family. And then we walked around downtown Mill Valley and gave him the full tour of everything.
Stars? I am, yeah. Good.
This was tonight's dinner fit. Lately, I've been loving black, classy numbers, and it was perfect because we went out to this delicious Italian restaurant. Oh my gosh, it was splendid. Waking up early and just having coffee and breakfast with Nana is always such a treat. We have the best conversations, and it's moments like this that make me so happy every single time that I come here. Wait, okay.
You ready?
Wait, I need to breathe first, okay.
It didn't work, it didn't crack.
But it felt like it. My aunt had the brilliant idea of doing a little bar workout on the deck. This was great practice for me because, as y'all know, I'm teaching bar fitness classes in the fall, and so this was a great way to spend quality time with her. You're gonna have a big sensor on your face right now. We are going to Muir Woods today. We're leaving from Larkspur at 10:30. No,
11:30.
No, 11:30. I've done Muir Woods twice in my life. One time I went with my Girl Scout troop. It never gets old. The redwood trees are gorgeous. And then after, we might go to Corte Madera, pop by Phil's Coffee. I love their honey latte. It's so good. And then tonight, I think we're sushiing it. Hey guys, I have a guilty admittance, and he actually found this out. I used to be obsessed with Hunger Games, not actually because I understood what was going on, but because I thought everybody was like gorgeous and handsome. So
follow me please, I'm a Hunger Games lover.
Hat is from Brandy Melville. Oh crap, I forgot that I smushed it.
No, it's okay, it'll pop back out.
Will it?
Yeah, here, let me see.
Do you like? Yeah.
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 I do.
Alright, first stop, crepes, because he's a hungry child. My lunch today, turkey, cheese, lettuce, courtesy of Nana. Yummy. Oh my gosh, I forget what now. We got it.
Whoa.
Today's flavor. Oh, this is really good.
This is a really good one.
Raspberry acai and green tea. What'd you get?
Tropical vibe.
drove a gold line. I didn't record much footage from Muir Woods just because I wanted to be in the moment. The redwood trees are the most beautiful trees ever, and it really feels like you're in a whole nother world just being in this forest. After 3 hours at Muir Woods, we met up with my aunt and we got Phil's coffee and did a little bit of shopping at REI. I'm getting this sports bra. Y'all, this coffee is so freaking good.
Come on. Alright, you're gonna be the last one.
Wait, man. For dinner, we went to Robata and had sushi, and then after that, we went to both Tiburon and Sausalito, and then later to get some ice cream. We just got ice cream, and I got mocha Kona, really good. Good morning. This day will forever be one of my favorite memories. It was just one of those days that you'll never forget. Good morning, everyone. Today's Monday. We're getting an early start to the day. We're going to the Legion of Honor Art Museum because one of our first dates that we ever did was go to an art museum, the Blanton in Austin, Texas. We're gonna do that for a bit, and then we have Alcatraz tickets, so we're gonna do the tour. I think we're gonna meet my cousin and his girlfriend in the city and just kind of hang out. Maybe do Chinatown, Pier 39, the whole wonders. The bridge is so foggy today. What are you doing?
Influencing.
Pro Instagrammer right here. All right, guys. So basically, there's no one here. And that was a waste of $34, so yeah. It's closed. It's closed only on Mondays. God bless everyone. We weren't gonna let that ruin the day, so we went to Pier 39, which is the home of the sea lions. And y'all, we went to this aquarium and it was so magical. The best day ever. I'm so happy right now. We're at this place called Hog Island Oyster. And it's right on the water of the ferry building. We're getting a quick bite to eat before we go to Alcatraz because we are starving. Alright, fish and chips. Ooh, I'm hot. That was so good. This is hands down the best thing I've ever eaten. Go. The ferry to Alcatraz was windy, beautiful, and you could see just about everything from the city to the island itself, and then of course the Golden Gate Bridge. Alcatraz was phenom.com, and now we're at Ghirardelli. We walked a mile. Yeah, we're here right now. We're gonna meet up with my cousin Brandon, and we're gonna get chocolate. We didn't come all this way to not get chocolate. They're yapping. You think that one's cute?
Yeah,
That's super cute. That's really
Or this
cute.
one?
I think that one.
That's what I'm saying.
Let's look at my sea glass.
Okay, what do you think? 30 seconds?
Guten Morgen, everyone. All right, it's a new day. It's our last full day in Mill Valley.
Don't
and
say that.
I'm sad. Anyways, we're picking up almond croissants, pastries for my grandma and my aunt, and then we're gonna go to the Depot coffee shop, get some coffee, and I'm gonna do some of my summer school work because I have to do some reading. That's what we got going on this morning. And then we're gonna do a hike with my aunt called Tennessee Valley, and I'm just ready for a beautiful day. Cranberry iced tea, so good.
I think she'd freak out.
Overwhelmed by the unknown, was the world made for my soul? Teenage therapy, just a cup is all I need. I can close my eyes and breathe. A song in good conversations tastes just like medication.